It starts with a sinking feeling in your chest. The bills pile up, the calls from creditors never stop, and payday vanishes in an instant. You're working hard, yet it feels like you're running in place. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Meet Mr. A hard-working professional drowning in debt. Like many, he once believed that a credit card was free money. Then came car loans, student debt, and unexpected medical bills. Now he is stuck, living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the thing, Mr. A's story doesn't end here because today he's about to make a life-changing decision. He took the first step, facing reality. He sat down and listed every debt he owed, credit cards, loans, interest rates, everything. The truth was scary, but now he had something powerful, clarity. Most people avoid looking at their debt because it's overwhelming, but you can't escape it. He discovered two powerful strategies to pay off his debt. First, Snowball method, and second, the Avalanche method. In the Snowball, you start by paying off the smallest debt first, thereby gaining momentum. In the Avalanche, you focus on the highest interest debt to save money in the long run. Mr. A chose the Avalanche method. His credit card's 30% interest was eating away at his future. So he made a plan, cutting unnecessary expenses and channeling every extra dollar toward it. He realized he was leaking money on things he didn't need, like ordering takeout or expensive subscriptions. He started cooking at home, using cashback apps, and sticking to a strict budget. Most people underestimate how much small expenses add up. A $5 coffee every day, that's over $1,800 a year. Imagine investing that instead. Debt often feels like a cycle. Why? Because emergencies happen. So Mr. A set a goal, $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. He automated his savings $50 a week. Slowly but surely, he built a safety net. Once the debt was under control, Mr. A's focus shifted to building wealth. He learned about index funds, ETFs, and compound interest. Instead of wasting money on things that lost value, he started buying assets that made money. You know the secret of the wealthy? They make money work for them. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Mr. A knew cutting expenses was great, but making more money was even better. He learned a high-income skill, freelanced online, and eventually increased his earning power. More income meant faster debt payoff and more investments. So 1 year later, Mr. A is debt-free, his savings are growing, his investments are compounding, but the biggest change, his mindset. He no longer sees money as something to spend, but as a tool for freedom. The road to financial freedom isn't easy, but it's possible. Start today, take control, your future self will thank you. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to break free from debt and build the life you deserve? If so, hit that like button and subscribe to Phenomic Insights for more such smart financial tips.